Hey everyone, my name is Nuaman Patel and I am a third year medical student at Parul Institute of Medical Sciences and Research. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. In today's video, I am going to demonstrate how to perform and assess newborn reflexes. So let's get started. First of all, what are newborn reflexes? Newborn reflexes are reflexes that a newborn is born with, and slowly and gradually this reflexes disappears as and when the age advances. So, the important thing about the newborn reflexes is that this helps us in assessing the overall gross development and the neurological development of a child. It is really important, first of all, to get acquainted with the child and to get him in your favor. The first step before eliciting any of the reflex is to sanitize your hand, as newborn are very prone to infection and easily catch them, and also considering the present COVID scenario. Firstly, we'll do the rooting reflex. Rooting reflex is elicited by moving the finger from the corner of the lip. What will be the reflex that we'll be seeing? The reflex will be that head will go to the side where the finger was stroked or it is moved, and this will help the baby to find the food during the breastfeeding. Now exactly when this disappears? This disappears after 4 months of life. The next step we are going to do is Babinski reflex. Now how we need to elicit it? We need to elicit it by stroking from heel upward along the outward part of the foot. Now what will be the reflex the child will give? The big toe dorsiflexes and the other toes fan or spread out. It disappears after 1 year of age. Next is sucking reflex. In this, we stroke the lip and the lip assumes the position of sucking. It disappears after 4 months of the age. Next is the grasp reflex, palmar or plantar grasp. We place a finger or stroke the inside of the palm and the hand will close around it. It disappears after 4 to 6 months of age. Next, we will be doing Moro's reflex. Moro's reflex is also known as startle reflex, and it is the most toughest reflex to perform in a neonate. How to perform Moro's reflex? It is best performed by sudden dropping of a baby's head in relation to the trunk. And what will be the reflex? The reflex will be opening of hand, extension and abduction of upper extremities, followed by anterior flexion of upper extremity with an audible cry.
तुमसे ना हो पाएगा.
This reflex disappears by 3 to 6 months in normal infants. Next is crawling reflex or Boer's crawling reflex. How we need to perform? When the infant is placed on the stomach and pressure, such as by hand or the other person standing next to you, his hand is applied to the sole of foot, the infant will attempt to push against the hand and move the arms and legs in crawling like motion. Now when does this disappears? This disappears 4 weeks or 4 months after the birth. Tonic neck reflex or fencing reflex. When infant's head is turned towards a particular side, the leg and arm on that side will extend, while leg and arm on opposite side will flex. It disappears after 4 months of age. The last one that we will be going to elicit is the staff reflex. How we will do? We will be holding the infant upright with legs and feet touching a surface, and the infant will move the legs like taking steps or walking. This disappears after 3 to 4 months of the age. So thanks a lot for watching. Hope you like the video. Do subscribe.